Hi, I'm Jessica Conrad from the Patents Project, and I want to show you how to make a DIY snap bracelet using common things from the dollar store that can be used for communication, behavior support, and more. So you'll need a measuring tape, duct tape. If you want to use pre-made symbols, you'll need some packing tape and those symbols printed out. Some scissors, and I'm going to use a pen, but you could use anything sturdy and cylindrical, maybe like a screwdriver. So first you're going to measure your friend's wrist and cut out an appropriate amount of measuring tape. You're going to use your scissors to cut that out and round the edges. If those edges are sharp, use a nail file or a sandpaper and make those really smooth. Then you're going to take your pen and with the numbers facing you, bend that measuring tape so it's going to make a cylinder so that it'll snap around your wrist. Cut out some duct tape, fold it over your bracelet and cut off the excess. And now it's ready to decorate. You can really use whatever you want. That packing tape and the symbols, just go straight over that. You could get out your Sharpies or foam stickers, washi tape. Really, your options are limitless and you can make probably a couple dozen of these with $2. Happy crafting, everybody.